back to Air's Come episode 3. Wait, 4. Welcome back to episode 4. Driving back from Arizona right now. Literally just booked our next ticket for our next trip, and it's a one-way. So we're gonna figure out what the we're gonna do from there. We got 23 more hours.
This might hurt the bank a little bit, but you know you gotta be spontaneous. We're young, so we don't got shit else to do.
6:42 right now. We pulled off at this travel center. Boy was tired. I was driving, right, and I was daydreaming and I was talking like I was sleep talking, but I was driving. I don't even know how it worked. That boy UJ is tired too. Been sleeping. I drove all through the night too. We left at like 11:30. The fuck has been on a mission to drive home. Wow, boy.
Hopefully I wasn't going 100.
No way.
Hey there, sir. Officer Salas with the New Mexico State Police. Do you know the reason for the stop? They're an 87 and a 75. You seem kind of nervous, sir. Is there a reason, bro? Oh, you just got pulled over.
There's a lot of stuff going around, bro. This is.
We're from Minneapolis.
Okay, this is expired, okay?
No.
Sir, I'm gonna ask you this. You don't mind coming back to my vehicle?
Why would you have to do that though?
It's just the way I do my traffic stuff, nothing personal against him.
Ticket.
That's it? Not much.
That's it?
Not much.
If I had to give y'all some advice, I'd say take a break.
Take a break?
Yeah.
From what? Run it back.
Motherfuckers don't have 10 tickets. I wasn't even speeding, bro.
You worked?
I don't think so.
How we doing?
Good, how
What
are
are
you?
you?
Good, Officer Halliburton State Police. Your license and the vehicle registration, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the reason I'm stopping, you're running 58 through town. It's actually a 45. Come on back, my man. I'm gonna write you a quick warning. We'll get y'all out of here.
Literally run it back, boy. UJ love the gas. Well, that's part 2. Hopefully we don't get like a part 3 or part 4. Fuck, we're still like, I don't even know how far we are. I don't have service. He literally just came and opened my door and he's asking a bunch of questions. He said he was gonna write UJ like a warning for this one because we didn't know. I think this is gonna be, I don't know. I really don't. He just took my ID and like even the last one didn't do that. I'll keep y'all updated. Hopefully we're not in the fucking back of the cop car after. I swear to God. Oh, I swear to God if that happens.
That dog in the car, that dog
No, he
was
didn't.
tweaking.
You're lying.
He got out the car, he's like,
No.
And I was like, no way. I thought that bitch was gonna break the bars and shit. So, second time getting pulled over, guys.
Let's run back part 3, bro.
We're getting trailed again.
He hit a whole UE quick.
Hit a whole UE on us.
Quick. How we doing?
Good, Highway Patrol. I did a 75 back here in the 65. You got your license on you today?
We are going under the speed limit the rest of the time.
Hell yeah.
You got anything illegal in the car, do you?
No.
Any drugs?
No.
Large amounts of cash?
No.
Dead bodies?
Only
No.
3. No.
Can you search the vehicle?
Yeah.
You would? Yeah. You don't mind? I'll make it quick.
Go ahead.
Fellas, we're good to go.
What did I say? We're gonna make it happen.
We're about to get pulled over in every state.
We're gonna make that bitch a goal. Move fast.
Literally. Well, we're in Kansas. Like barely in the middle. At this rate, we're about to get arrested.
We're gonna get at home at like 1:06. Right now it's 2:36. Like, come on. Alright, so if you guys are like OG, like the come up OG, you guys remember there was one day when we were just looking around, middle of winter, which was frozen outside, and we came to this and we took pictures inside. And basically we got like kind of kicked. Did we get kicked out? What's up?
Hey y'all.
What do you do for like, are you a model?
I do. Well, I just got into modeling, but yeah, I model.
What?
Yeah.
All right, so shout out Arnold. I met bro. You know how to get down the lobby. So I literally met bro at the protest, right? And bro, has just invited me over.
Oh, so you don't know him?
No, I like just met him. So we're downtown now with Dervin, with Ben. I didn't even update him. Bro, this is doing nice on the bridge. My eyes hurt.
I can't breathe.
All right, so we've literally been to this spot like 60 times in the video, but it's one of my favorite spots to take pictures down here. So I've been traveling and like, I love Minneapolis. I forget that I love Minneapolis. This shit is beautiful. King of my city. Awesome A-Boogie.
That's one on top is around there.
$20. I'm going back to Arizona. But this time we bought a fucking flight because driving was most definitely not the move. That shit was dick. He said, can I fly the plane? Mama, I made it.
It feels like it's been like 3 weeks.
It feels like 3 years.
What's up, baby?
What's up, boys?
No way. It's not for them. Said something.
Damn, give me home.
Only took us 3 days to get back.
Tetris master.
Vamos, cabrón, a la piscina. What?
That boy got too much energy.
That's why.
Is it cold?
He said. He said your turn.
Bro, you're.
I didn't know you were going right there.
Right in my line.
All right, go ahead. Go redo. And the hey, 2 or 3. 100. He said, catch it. Come on. So the boys are in AZ, right? We're linking up with the boy Jake. If y'all know who Jake is, the TikToker from Arizona. Damn, I'm out of breath.
Wait, who grabbed the cure keys?
No, I thought you did.
What? No.
No way.
Oh, who the fuck is this man?
All right, bro. Hold on. Stop. I'm not, bro. Like we were damn near at the gate. You think he's at the gate?
What do you fuck, bro? What do you fuck?
Probably damn near hid behind. He damn near was inside. This boy Jake is a prankster.
Wrong parking lot. No way.
What's up, boy? Y'all wanna go Jack in the Box? Y'all hungry? He said we just ate.
Hey, what's up? Hey, follow me on YouTube at Jake Leonard right there.
So we're at Jack in the Box one more time. Damn, back to back, right?
Oh, hey.
So my boy Jake in the car.
Sir, what's up? What's up?
We're at Jack in the Box. We had Shorty pick my meal for me. I forgot I got tacos even.
You got the curly fries? Let me get one of them hoes.
Oh, those my curly fries, bro. No, I got you. Wait, what did I even, bro? She didn't even tell me what I got. She gave me a whole ass thing of lettuce. Look, a whole head.
Wait, what is
A
that?
whole head of lettuce.
She bitch.
Bro, she gave him a chicken sandwich, I think.
Yeah, low key, she gave me a chicken sandwich.
We got the number 6.
That he does.
And the number sandwich.
They get so annoyed.
Nah,
Like after I pull the camera, like fuck. Now we gotta.
Bro, what the fuck was that?
You didn't even get the fucking bun.
Buddy, take a bite. It's just lettuce. It's just lettuce.
But he ate straight lettuce.
Oh my god.
2 things of lettuce.
They replaced your meat with lettuce.
Apparently tacos here are fucking fire. Let's see. It's just
Fire, bro.
What?
Another one. El Taco Loco.
What'd I say?
El Taco Loco. I swear to God.
Fire, bro.
Yeah.
Fire as fuck, man.
That's it.
They got the
I'm full.
corn tortilla. Come on, y'all have not tried the tacos
Luis.
at Jack in the Box?
Hey,
Come on.
mira,
siéntate.
That shit
Right.
fried as
Bro,
hell.
the fucking buffalo sauce, like.
So now I get like really hungry.
Oh my god. That shit's so
Hey guys, Jake here. You know the vibes. I'm with Johnny again. John's still being a fucking pussy, but you know what? It's really whatever. Like, right, John?
Yep.
Yeah, you guys know the vibes. I don't know where Ryan went. Ryan's a fucking bitch too, but yeah, it's whatever.
Pug was back.
Let's go back in.
Heading over to Cali right now. We got another like 3.5 hours.
How you doing? Good, how you guys doing? I'm amazing. I like the bike. Can I ride it? Can I hop on? Please. Hey, Chuck Bauer, you know you did everything. Oh my god, okay. Estamos in Mexico. My feet are hot. Oh my god. Oh, bro, I think I burnt my foot like a couple degrees. Oh my god, tell me what happened.
The AC is out. Mid-trip.
Bro.
You're lying.
Bro.
Might have to piss on my
Bro,
Blu-ray.
I'm literally hot. Like, I'm literally sweating, boy. Oh my fuck! What? Bro! Bro! Just stop right here. Open the door! Get your ass out. Open the door. Where is it? Did it get out?
That bitch was crawling all
Then why are
over
we
me.
stopping?
This is it.
Oh, Mitch, this is it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my heart is pumping.
Where's my EpiPen?
We made it to Santa Diego. Ooh! Resort style living. Oh, but we are not making it down there. Alright, so now we're in San Diego. We went to came to see the sea lions or whatever. I forgot the drone and the 85. But like, but look who we are, bro. We were looking at houses because we like really want to move here, bro. Oh, it's not even that expensive. Oh, it is expensive, but we're damn near about to pull the trigger. What'd you think, EJ?
Buenísimo.
Bro, oh my god, bro, I can't stop. It fucking stinks. I like how they just left us, bro. Wow, boy, y'all can't wait for 2 seconds? Bro, I'm about to fall down this whole thing. Bro, we gotta go down even farther. Buddy is bro is dead. He died. Wait, what? Bro, them motherfuckers are hurting, boy.
Steve.
there was hurt, boy. Got the what is it? Disposables. We're trying to get some nice little pictures going on, but we can't really like lean on shit just because this is just like straight goose shit.
Yo, I'm trying to kiss UJ. Dumbass.
Oh!
It smells like shit.
You with you?
It smell like you, boy.
Like shit. You hella thick. I'm riding around looking for my pick, but I ain't got long hair and I don't care. Cause that shit's short now. We're getting waves. We by the beach. You know we chilling. I'm finna teach y'all how to rap. Rap. I don't cap.
You hit that shit. You're going.
You sons of bitches. you bitches. I'm on my glass outside. Trying to peck out my.
No, he's leaving. You're good. You're good.
Hey man.
Hey man, say man. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Here comes.
You're lying. Oh my god.
You good? Your turn.
Doofy dude.
Say what's up.
What's up?
Say subscribe to ProjectSploosh.
Subscribe to ProjectSploosh.
This place. Oh my god. So we literally gotta move here, bro. I swear to God.
Ask the firefighter if they're hiring. They said it was perfect timing.
I damn near got to be a firefighter too. I filmed a bit behind the scenes. Oh! That's a big ass one. That's a big ass one.
That is you. That's a big ass boy.
That is a big ass fish, boy. Oh fuck! I came to the rescue. What are you talking about? Look at him. Who built you? That is Tyler Martin. Oh no way, bro! Go help him, bro. Come on. He's right there. The little one's still right there. Come on, buddy. Oh, you almost had it. Oh! Cannonball! Johnny, Jake, Josh, what up, Jeremy? What's up? We came out to the beach. Fucking finally, we took so long. Let's run it. Let's go that way.
Tell me why I was about to look at my wrist, but I don't have no Apple
I
Watch
got a
on.
watch on. We keep saying this shit, but I'm moving here.
I'm not.